More visible changes in the transportation industry revolve around connected vehicles. These can be cars, planes, trains, buses, even ferry boats. Less visible changes revolve around connected traffic devices. These can be traffic signals, digital signs, toll readers, traffic cameras, etc. The benefits of connecting all these things are limited only by the imagination. The amount of information that will become available and the granular yet remote level of control of all these connected traffic devices should allow all of us to experience much more efficient and safe commutes. The technical hurdles in the transportation industry to date have centered more around how do we connect all the vehicles and devices, and less on the security. As a result, most of these things are connected with traditional networks, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, wireless, and even satellite. Those traditional networks carry the same potential vulnerabilities that we've seen over the past few years in the enterprise and government sectors. So, what needs to be done in order to protect the industry from these breaches? First, the organizations that are implementing all these connected devices in the transportation industry need to make a concerted effort to secure those devices and their communications. Each solution may have different needs where security is concerned. In some cases, the physical devices may need to be secure and may need protection from tampering. In other cases, the data captured by the device may need to be secured. In still others, the control commands flowing between some centralized traffic control center, for example, and each device may need to be secured. Some solutions may require all these types of security. CENTRI's BitSmart is an all-encompassing, standards-based software data protection solution. While other great solutions out there can help protect transportation industry devices from physical tampering and harm, BitSmart is designed to protect the information those devices store, use, and communicate between either themselves or with a centralized data or control center. BitSmart is designed with a minimalist approach to system resource utilization and latency, while providing maximum protection to your data, whether at rest or in transit over any network. As such, it can be deployed to any device that sends and/or receives data over any network. A primary use for BitSmart in the transportation industry would be the connected vehicle. For example, cars, planes, and trains. These vehicles not only provide wireless or satellite network-driven Wi-Fi for passengers, but they are increasingly connecting data about everything from location, to speeds, to diagnostics, and then reporting them back to some central control center. We're even seeing more instances of driverless vehicles, drones for example, where control of the vehicle is all remotely done. Compromise of these types of vehicle control systems could potentially be disastrous. In addition to vehicles, it's not all that difficult to imagine a future where many of the traffic control devices, such as traffic lights, toll meters, even speed limits, are remotely adjusted based on varying traffic conditions. The remote control of these devices, if compromised, could at least bring transportation in busy areas to a standstill, if not much worse. Transportation companies or their solution providers should select BitSmart because it helps them comply with current and future industry security regulations. It secures their data, whether stored on a remote traffic device, in a vehicle, at a centralized data or control center, or in transit between any of these points. Through its device authentication mechanisms, it helps detect when remote devices have been tampered with. It optimizes the data in transit to help reduce any bandwidth costs, and the data at rest to improve storage capabilities on devices where storage may be limited. The transportation industry is moving in some exciting new directions. These new approaches to transportation management and commuter experience require new, equally innovative approaches to security. CENTRI's BitSmart can help empower these transportation organizations to innovate and improve our commutes while knowing that the data their solutions produce and use is secure from tampering.